Hello, molecular biology. I hope you're surviving. This is your video update for the week of March 30th. Couple of things going on this week. You're going to take quiz 3 on Canvas. So that will probably be all short answer questions. So be sure to answer in your own words. Don't use any other references. I'm not sure if it'll be timed or not yet. I haven't made up my mind, but probably not timed, just to give you time to say it in your own words, okay? So that'll be coming up. The topic for this week is translation. So the whole process of translation, you want to look up the slides, number 18 in the PDF files on translation. It goes through and you look at ribosome structure. So the proteins that are involved and how they're put together. The slides also detail how the ribosomal RNAs are made and processed. So that kind of links back to the post-transcriptional processing that we were talking about, because the rRNAs are heavily modified after they're made. And then speaking about RNAs, it also talks about tRNAs. So they are heavily modified as well after transcription. So both of those are not going to code for proteins directly. They're going to be involved in the translation mechanism. So you want to look at tRNA structure and function and what it does for the ribosome. Now, as for the translation mechanism, it should mostly be review. So break it up into pieces. There's initiation, elongation, and termination using start and stop codons. Probably where you want to spend more of your time for this class is in regulation. So how is the regulation of initiation? How does that occur in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes? So you want to look at the Shine-Dalgarno sequence in prokaryotes. It's actually the ribosomal RNA that finds the correct context for where translation is going to occur. So it's not always the first ATG or AUG where translation starts. Same thing in eukaryotes. You have the Cossacks rules. So very fascinating couple of experiments that Cossack ran to figure out how translation initiates in eukaryotes. I want you to focus on that. Again, it's not always the first AUG where translation occurs, okay? So go through, review those, listen to the lectures. As always, respond to this video or send me emails with your questions, and hang in there, folks. Take care.